हॅलो गाईज, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत एसे ऑन माय टीचर. माय टीचर इज अ गायडिंग लाईट इन माय लाईफ. शी इज अ सोर्स ऑफ इन्स्पिरेशन अँड मोटिवेशन. With her patience, kindness, and wisdom, she has made learning a joyful experience for me. Her teaching style is unique and engaging. She makes complex concepts simple and easy to understand. She encourages us to ask questions and think critically. Her enthusiasm and passion for teaching are contagious, making us eager to learn. What sets my teacher apart is her ability to connect with each student individually. She takes a genuine interest in our well being and progress. She offers guidance and support whenever we need it, making us feel seen and heard. My teacher has taught me valuable life skills beyond academics. She has instilled in me the importance of hard work, perseverance, and teamwork. She has helped me build confidence and self esteem. I am grateful for my teacher's presence in my life. She has made a positive impact on me, and I aspire to emulate her qualities. I look up to her as a role model and strive to make her proud. In conclusion, my teacher is an exceptional educator and mentor. Her dedication, empathy, and expertise have made her an invaluable asset to our school community. I feel fortunate to have her as my teacher and look forward to continuing to learn from her. I respect my teacher very much. थँक यू गाईज. हे होतं एक स्पीच ऑन माय टीचर. असेच खूप सारे व्हिडिओज आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती अपलोड केलेले आहेत. डेफिनेटली जाऊन पहा, दररोज इंग्रजी ऐका, याची तुम्हाला खूप खूप मदत होईल. थँक्यू. लाईक करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.